check out this sick skateboard ramp. Not only do we have one of those, we have two, and they're modular. So this is just a quarter pipe that you could put a bank ramp up to. Or you can just have the bank ramp, or you go bank ramp to bank ramp. Or you can go quarter pipe to quarter pipe and make a spine. And of course, you can have the quarter pipe into a quarter pipe making a mini ramp, or you can just boost this thing like a jump. These are the ramps we built. They're insane. Here's the video of how we built them, why we built them, everything like that. So enough talking, get to the video.
Oh,
It's right where we wanted it.
money. Get the boss man's approval?
Yep.
What do you think of this transition?
Yeah, it's good.
I like it. Still building the ramp. Chill. We gotta get this thing done.
Well, guys, we've been busy. We all have. Garage is a mess, but we have 2 banked rails now. Quarter. Still got some work to do there. This dude just showed up.
Hi, Mom.
He hasn't done anything. Chris, what are you working on over here?
I'm building the box.
We're gonna have having 2
I
quarters.
have a full-on skate park in the driveway.
Oh yeah, we still got a lot of work to do, but it's gonna be sick. So, yeah, see you next time.
Day 2 of the skate ramp project. We've got all the skeletons done and decking on 1 quarter pipe and 2 bank ramps. We don't have decks, so Chris is working on getting the decks. I'm working on getting our metal pieces drilled up so we can put them in here and then have a little bit smoother transition. We'll see what else we build today. We have 1,000 freaking projects going on.
And we keep threatening that we're going to actually have a driveway session. And I think we're going to have enough ramps today to justify doing so. So maybe even in this edit.
Oh, definitely this edit. Look who showed up and picked up a drill.
Whatever, guys. I've been working the whole time. I just don't film me, you know?
He's lying. Stop the cap.
So the box has now got metal on it. It's a box now. That was what we made with the scraps. This was the brainchild. So we got the quarter pipe with a 2.5 foot deck. So this times 2. Gotta build another one. Then we gotta paint these things. Here we go.
It's done.
It's done.
It's done. Let's go get Dad. Let's tell him what we did. Where's Dad?
Where's Dad?
Skate park is done.
Lies.
Not lying.
You want to come see it?
Are they painted?
No,
Guess they're not done yet.
but they're done being built.
They're done being built.
Skateboard time, let's go! All right, Team Buckhouse, the work is done. 3 days. We have 4 ramps, box on a rail, and these things are insane. Chris and Cody and Nate absolutely crushed it. I obviously did the majority of the work, the heavy lifting, and these things look good. Without further ado, here is the skate park. Hey! So we didn't really do much footage of this, but this is a little flat bar, 9 feet long. It's adjustable height, so you can make it taller or shorter, which is also nice for lugging this thing to go snowboard some places. These ramps, even though they look massive, they're only 2.5 feet tall. We have 2 of these triangle cheese wedge kickers, which are awesome because they butt up perfectly next to our quarter pipes. Our quarter pipes have a 2.5 foot tall, like, deck top part, and once again they butt up so you have something to gap. They're removable, so you can just take them off as well, which is sick. We can do banks with just gaps and it's gonna be wild. And then with the quarter pipes, we can set it up to where we have either 2 of these jumps in a row down the driveway, Or like we do now, we got a mini ramp, which is sick. We got a mini ramp, and we made this with all the scrap pieces. It's a 11-inch tall, 8-foot long box for learning 50/50s and whatnot on. We'll figure something out with it, but I mean, a lot of people skate stuff like that. So I think too with the summer board, I'll be able to like jump on and manual it. That'd be cool. So yeah, this is what we're gonna be doing a lot this summer, obviously. Now we're gonna paint them too. We're just so excited to get these things made, start skating them, start painting them. We also got some other snowboard rails that have been made that I cannot wait to show you guys. But enough talking, let's get to a little skate session. It's time to skate.
Kaiser, you're up.
Do it, Kaiser.
Get on it.
Skate it.
Get on it. That's not fast enough.
Oh. Oh, dude, you're so close.
Ah!
Oh!
Ah!
You got this.
Oh! That was it!
That was it.
That was it! Oh, that was it!
Yes! Let's go.
Bring it all the way. Let's go. Heck yeah. Karate Kid.
These ramps are sick. And with that, as always, thanks for watching. Keep evolving. We'll see you guys tomorrow in another video. It's daily on this channel. We do stuff like this daily.